Welcome to Vikas Handlooms Pochampalli. We are manufacturing of ikat silk sarees lehengas. Today specially I am introducing all varieties of designer sarees and price is depends upon designs. Please watching our videos. This is pallu in patola design with red combination. And this is blouse in red combination with plain border. This is complete saree with bottle green with a half white combination with patolo design with red combination with tissue. Tissue will be up two sides border. One is down, you can see one more tissue, and up you can see one more tissue. Saree color is bottle green with half white combination. It's a rare combination. This is a complete saree. It's patola design. It's very special with ikat. This saree cost is 8,500. And now I'm showing one more design. This is pallu with bottle green with elephant design with zero lines with tissue, two types of tissue border. And this is blouse with bottle green color with two types of tissue. And this is a complete saree. It look like maroon and pink shade. It's different combination with multi-colors. And middle of the saree you can see with tree design with mustard yellow and with white. And bottom you can see two types of design. Middle of the saree you can see with multi-color with pink combination and bottle green combination. And bottom you can see with tree design with white elephants. Middle of the elephants you can see two types of design with yellow and white bottle green. It's a rare combination. This saree cost is 9,500. And this is one more design. This is pallu with wave design with jari lines with pink shade. And this is blouse. You can see tissue down and up also you can see tissue. Middle of the saree is grey color with plus design. Border you can see with tissue with thread work. It's a rare combination. Grey with pink combination. This is pallu with temple design with zero lines. This is blouse with pink shade. And bottom you can see with jari. Up also you can see with jari. Middle of the saree is royal blue with pink shade. Middle of the saree you can see with lotus design with white and pink color. Bottom you can see with Rajasthan design with two designs. One is with triangle design, one is with diamond design. Diamond design you can see two types of colors. One is white and one is mustard. And diamond you can see with mustard yellow and with pink shade. And bottom you can see with a jari line. This saree cost is 8,500. This is special from our Vikas Handlooms. We are having a website on the name of Vikas Handlooms. Our website is www.vikashandlooms. Our contact number is 99 59195299. And this is pallu with pink shade with jari. Middle of the jari you can see with elephant design. This is blouse with pink combination. This is complete sari with cream. Middle of the sari you can see with plate design with maroon shade, and bottom you can see with bottle green with multicolors with temple design with yellow combination, and bottom you can see with tree design. One is with purple shade with white combination with multicolors. Up also you are having a design. And this is one more design with orange combination. This is pallu. In pallu you can see we designed the plate design with yellow and white combination. This is blouse. Blouse is also with work design, with same as shown as a pallu. And this is complete saree with black and orange combination. In middle of the saree you can see with white dots, and bottom you can see it with waves with white and mustard color. And bottom also you are having a design with plus design with white and orange combination. This saree cost is 8,500, and we are having a two types of tissue in this. This saree cost is 8,500. We are having a discount on this. And this is one more design. Pink combination with green. In pallu you can see with Rajasthan design, and you can see two types of colors in this. One is with green design, one is with mustard design with white combination. And this is blouse with pink combination. And this is a complete saree. In this saree you can see multicolor, yellow and green combination. Middle of the saree you can see with arrow design with green arrow and pink arrow. Bottom you can see with elephants. And this saree cost is 7,500.